Fuck off. Fuck off. Whew. Whew, shit. Whew. That be looking wet. What's the deal? I'm back, another YouTube video, another bang, another mod type of shit. You feel me? I don't need to look at the camera, bro. There's always somebody to shut up. Look at her, look like a boy. Man, I'm back, another YouTube banger. We back with another mod. You feel me? Another slight mod, another little light mod. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. You know what I'm saying? Something light, little light. Add a little 200,000 horsepower and shit. You know what I'm saying? Light, that's light to me and shit. You know me. You already know me. I drive fast ass whips. Trying to go faster and shit for her. They been long as hell and shit, so I had to come back here and shit. I wanted to unbox it because I'm about to do some mod to the mod as I unbox the mod. For real. Wrap it up. I don't know if it's the right one. But it better because if it ain't, oh, why is it so far back?
So I could get the whole thing. The box big and you kind of tall. I thought you wanted them to see the box too, but
the box ain't nothing.
The box is part of the unboxing because you're unboxing it out the box, dummy.
I'm hoping it's gloss black. If it ain't, it's gonna be a fucking problem. Shit, send it back immediately and shit. Give my fucking money and shit immediately.
Why is you cutting it like that?
Because that's what bosses do.
No, it's not. Bosses hold the knife properly.
Alright, not big. Come on now, why y'all wrap this up like this for real, gang?
So it'll be safe and protected.
Nigga, so bitch ass. Fuck.
Why is you fighting it?
Fuck off. Fuck off. Alright, so we're taking off the plastic, you feel me, the bubble wrap. Boom. Bang. Oh yeah, it's the right one, I can already tell. Nah, I said we're about to reveal it, huh? Man, they made sure this boy was straight. They put like 3 layers of shit on here. They making sure, yeah, this how they do CMB gangs and shit. For real. You know what I'm saying? We just got the light Hellcat diffuser and shit, about to reveal it and shit for real. Shit about to look good and shit though. Shit though. Shit. Fuck. Whew. Whew. Shit. Whew. Whew. Hey man, they see this bitch, man. It's gloss black. Basically like the diffuser right there, but it's just gloss black, you feel me? Ain't nothing too different, you know what I'm saying? It's Hellcat. But I'm about to drill the holes in here though, so I could put the screws in here from off there. But before I put this on, you feel me, I want to do some mods. So I just want to unbox this and let y'all see it real quick. Y'all gotta go look at it, you know, so I can see myself in this bitch for real. Turn it into a vlog camera and shit. Yeah, shit, CB, shit. Real back another banger and shit. About to jump off a bridge and shit. Off some crazy shit though. On some going viral.
You just conceited.
Huh?
You
said what?
Bro,
what you say about me, bro?
I didn't say nothing.
Bro. Go how I get. What you say about me?
You ugly as hell.
Turn to midget turtle in this bitch. Oh God, nigga.
What the fuck you look like, a goddamn turtle?
Hellcat diffuser. I know we gotta get rid of that Scatpack diffuser. That bitch is lame. I ain't gonna lie. Get back.
This shit.
Fuck back, nigga.
Look at
get
this
back.
nigga. He real life.
When I say get back, get back.
Fucking retarded.
When you cameraman, that's what you don't do. You don't talk behind the scenes. It ruins the scene.
I am the same.
If
Nigga,
you
move.
know what a cameraman is, you don't know how to do it.
I'm camera girl. That's the difference.
camera girl, ask the camera girl, they do the same thing. You don't talk to me.
I'm your camera girlfriend.
They don't want to smell that your breath and shit for real. Your breath probably hot as hell.
Nigga, they don't want to smell your ass cheeks when you picking up your legs in the fucking air. Fucking trying to act like you a goddamn Ninja Turtle. Nigga, no you not. Sit your ugly ass down.
See me gang like girls.
Sit your ugly ass down.
My ass is back here. It gonna stay back here. Ain't nobody gonna touch it for real. Cause if you touch it, I'm gonna stab your ass for real. Alright, see me gang after a long day of messing with this freaking thing, bro. I added the vinyl on it and it ripped off the black gloss. Like, bruh, y'all see it, man. Everything's going good. Y'all see, man. Got the 3 right there, and I did this myself. Then you get right here, look at it. I had to repaint it, and I know the paint job booty. I couldn't get all of it off of it, and I like just paint over it. But the 9 cover this part anyway, so that's a good thing. So you want to see that covers it anyways. So yeah, you want to see that. But man, look, I had to repaint it black with gloss because literally y'all see this whole area, all that literally came up. But the thing is, a good thing this dude goes under the car and you really not gonna see none of this stuff, you know what I'm saying? Because if it didn't, I would definitely have to do like a way better paint job than this. Just like how I did my calipers. Let me show you my calipers for people who think I can't paint. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. I do, but that's gonna be at the bottom of the car, so it's really not that much. You really not gonna be able to see none of that. So y'all see the calipers. Alright, we'll go to the other one. Y'all see the calipers. Y'all see how I get. That's dirt right there. That ain't no chip. No chip and no nothing. That's dirt. My calipers look factory. So I know how to paint and everything. I think I sanded them down. I didn't sand this down or nothing like that, this part, because I didn't want all the rest of this to all come up and stuff. See, you really not gonna be able to tell the difference that it was messed up. You know what I'm saying? But it just, that looked more cleaner and stuff. I know. And then it kind of messed it up over here, but you really can't tell, so I'm not even gonna cover them spots. You really cannot tell. But yeah, like right here, like it tore the gloss off right there. Like it was little spots right there, but that's the main spot that tore all of it off, so I had to repaint it. But I'm definitely gonna buy some more vinyl though. I'm gonna buy some more every vinyl just in case I need to redo it. Like if I want to redo it, I'll just take it off and just redo it one day, then put it back on. We gonna see how it look, man, when it's all finished and done. It's like that, it's done. I ain't gonna lie, it looked pretty straight and pretty nice. God was on my side and I did that. I had put it down, I lifted up very slowly so I don't rip the paint up, which it ain't come up. This shit was coming right up. That's where it obviously came up at, and I see it behind the 9, as long as it's behind the 9, you know what I'm saying? But the vinyl kind of cover it up. You really can't see it like far away. Like this where y'all gonna be seeing it from, type of thing like this. You can't see nothing wrong with it at all. So I guess I'm satisfied. It's straight, you know what I'm saying? It would have been better, like I said, but it looked good, you know what I'm saying? I made it look good. I mean, I didn't make it look, you know what I'm saying, like this. I could have, but I don't really have time to. And then now we could just install it. Yep, if this held up, I should have damn near used painter's tape. Yeah. It looks sweet. Right. I watch the videos anyways, y'all know, but the letters look straight though. I ain't gonna lie, the letters look pretty straight. But I'm about to go ahead, I'm about to install this bit on the car. I'm about to show y'all what I gotta do. It's a little dark, but fuck it. Like a few of these screws, how many, like 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. And then 2 clips you just pull out. Boom. And then you should be able to pull this whole thing off. Just start from one side and pull it off from the top. Alright, so man, we finally got this weak motherfucker off. It took forever. These 2 clips right here was hard as hell to get out. Then I just pulled that bitch out. That shit was getting on my nerve. That bitch was weak as hell though. We finally got it on, man. I ain't gonna lie. It was only irritating hard. I had to check the whole fit. These bugs kept flying on me. I was not having it. I was getting real mad. I done scratched my phone screen protector and everything. The freaking holes in the diffuser is not lined up correctly or something, or the screws wasn't long enough after the aftermarket diffuser. 2 middle screws was not long enough for some reason. I don't know why. So I just used the screws they had. I made a whole other hole behind it and shit, and I drilled a fucking hole with a fucking drill bit type shit, whatever. I drew one a pilot hole because that shit was irritating trying to do it the other way and shit. Just put the screw right up in that bitch and just try to drill straight through it. That shit is too annoying. So I just put a fucking screw, did that. And then I put the screw in there, held the back of the drill, and pushed up in there, and them bitches finally got in there. But this bitch secure now though. That just got me on my hood jump, bro. Like, I was mad, bro. It's all dirty and junk. Like, damn. God, after I went through all this and it burned off right here, because my exhaust tip touch, I'm gonna be mad, bro. I swear to God. Yeah, man, this is all tip not really touching it. But yeah, man, that's how it look. I'm gonna give y'all some more daytime footage, but this how it look right now. First, like, this how it look, man. Something like 392. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can see it for farther distance. Yes, sir. Deal to the Cmblilfra gang. Of course, like I said, we always back, but it's still the same video type of thing. That been looking wet. And the spot that I messed up, I obviously cannot see it whatsoever. Look at it, that's heat. I'm heat, look at it. You feel me? It's like you're maxing on the rest of the diffuser. Only problem I'm having with it right now is the exhaust tip is kind of touching this, and I don't want this to melt. Like, it's already touching it. So if y'all don't know, these exhaust tips is adjustable. So they just bolt on, so I just could unbolt it and hopefully be able to move it without going to the shop. We just got an oil change too, you know what I'm saying? The engine bay stay clean. And look how clean the engine bay, still got the marks on it and everything, you know what I'm saying? Ain't no rust and all that extra junk y'all be having y'all engine bay. Whatever corrosion on the engine and junk, probably on that engine, they got it. I know that for a fact, but that's older. This engine shit, you see everything brand new and shit, for real. For real. Well, not even brand new and shit. This been from 2017 and shit. My motherfucking son Samir come over here and shit. About to add some coolant in there, cause y'all see it's like right there. Know what I'm saying? We need that bit filled right here, know what I'm saying? Some has spilled out. We not checking no windshield wiper fluid, none of that shit. Nah, so fuck all that shit, you feel me? This the main thing is the oil and coolant is what I be checking for, what I'm about to start checking for. And I got what is it called, PSD or some shit. Know what I'm saying? When you go through something, you just be like on point with it. I forgot PTSD or some shit like that, because I got that from this car now, since from my motor blowing. So I be changing my oil extra early, make sure that shit extra clean. My shit look like nigga butter. My shit is so clean, it don't make no sense. Like, I done got that from this car, cause this shit not happen to me again, at least that way. Gotta be another way if it happened. Been looking into shit with this car, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let y'all know on one of the next few videos what's gonna happen, what I got planned for it. Cause just know, it's pretty good news, you know what I'm saying? It's pretty good news. What I'm thinking about doing and everything, you know, so y'all definitely will not be upset, because I know a lot of y'all be asking about that car. Just wait till that video comes, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to get it out fast as possible, you feel me? I'll be recording so much I'll be forgetting, and record the next video I forget. So whenever I come down to that video, or if I don't have nothing to record, I'm gonna go record that one, because y'all be asking about it so much. Like, every freaking video somebody be in the comments asking about it on my Instagram DMs. Back to this car, you feel me? This bit hard. Ain't gonna lie, I need to get that sign wrapped yellow, to be honest. I ain't gonna cap to y'all. But man, pay my boy Big Time Graphics, you know, he do all my graphics on the car. You know what I'm saying? Pay him to do this. But if y'all don't know, I have one of these cutters. Like, the stuff that they use to make this, I have one of them, but it's just small. And I was able to cut these lines and this 392 out, you know what I'm saying, because it's not huge. I did it one by one. This tip will move once you adjust this, so we gonna untighten this and move the tip, so y'all see how it's messing it up a little bit, you know what I'm saying, so I won't mess up the diffuser. And then yeah, man, we go wait on my boy Samir, you know what I'm saying? Then that's all it's wrote. You already burned my fucking tire, nigga. That shit for real.
You recording with him?
Yeah.
For what?
My phone. Y'all see all these fast things, you know? All these fast things and shit, you feel me? I know how to put up crazy. You was recording when I put up? Yeah. Type shit. Already and shit. Fresh as hell and shit, fresh as hell. Go all he do that shit every time, though. He did that shit last time. Look at this nigga. No. Hey, chill and shit, chill. Shit. Huh? Shit.
That chatty was fun.
Man. Shit! Track Bronco and shit. Shit!
The steering wheel in this bitch so crazy, bro.
Yeah, the flat bottom.
Yeah. It's a Hellcat steering wheel.
Yeah. Shit!
Going manual? Hit it.
Hey, why everybody moving back? That's it. Shit.
You gotta tap that bitch, bro.
We get it. Shit, Cam. Shit. Damn, Cam. You getting too much money for me and shit.
You gotta go to my smash.
Shit, you damn with the glasses and shit. Fuck. Shit. That shit was hard. What the fuck?
Oh, bro, I'm finna get mad as hell. Look at the house.